Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching these videos as always. Today we're back at the yard and I'm going to give you a tour of this 1970 Powles 33 Sportsman. And the reasons it's interesting is that anyone that wants to get into boating on a smaller budget but still have a nice sized boat, this is the kind of boat that you can look for. So what makes this boat interesting, apart from the fact it's actually, for the 1970s boat, it's pretty good looking. I think styling is pretty nice. But my boat, my little 23-foot Beneteau Antares 780, was mid-30s when I bought that. This, last time it came up for sale, was £30,000. Been a bit of work done in it since. So let's go on and have a quick look. We'll quickly go around the decks first and then we'll go inside. Just got to get up this ladder first, so I'm going to turn you off just for a second so I don't break my neck. So as you can hear, it's a bit windy, but let's go to the front of the boat and we'll have a look first up there. Nice big sturdy steps. Big chain store at the back for the pulley system, but this is a big boat. Come down this side, nice big cleats everywhere as well, heavy duty. And these railings, they're like at just above my knee, so it feels a bit more safer to traverse, but you've got these nice handrails here. Now this is a fishing boat primarily. As you can see, it has all the big space. If I just move this chair out of the way, I won't open both of these because these are heavy doors. I'm just going to get my beautiful assistant Lewis. Can you just go over there and help lift this up once I pull this up? Over there, thank you very much. And if I pull this up, you just pull it up with me. So it's twin engined, but these are actually going to be replaced. There's one here and there's one just under this side as well. Let's put that back loose because that's quite heavy, but they're going to be replaced with newer engines, I think, in the next few months. You have got a little fire bridge if you want to go up there, but it's tiny. But it's just mainly for the gear at the moment, whilst it's just having a bit of work done. But if we go inside, it's had a small refit. As I say, the owner Pete loves his fishing, and it's going to become very evident when you go inside. More fishing rods. So he's had all this interior redone, all new coverings inside here, all sprayed, all new flooring. Bear in mind it is a 1970s boat and the controllers haven't been updated, so it's very much of its time. It looks a bit like a London bus, but it's all functional. So Pete, the owner's put a lot of money into it to update it a bit more. So in the bow we have a bedroom. It's quite a nice size actually, and I'm knee high to a grasshopper and I can still stand in here just about. I've got cupboards here and everything. Not opening. I'm not going to break anything, it's not my boat. But it's nice and cosy in here. Storage under the stairs. sure if that's the freshwater thing. Nice little galley area. Fridge. And then we have a heads compartment. Full standing room in here as well. Just like Powles.co.uk. I don't think you're going to get the floss test done in here, but the fact you can stand in here before you do your business, I think it's beneficial. So if you want a functional boat and you don't want to spend a fortune, and £30,000, it's a lot of money, but it's not an absolute huge fortune. So if you want a boat where you can go fishing, stay out on it overnight, maybe go away on it for a couple of days with a working galley, I don't think it's a bad boat at all, actually. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments section. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.